Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the PS5 controller joystick. If you're experiencing issues like drift or unresponsiveness, this guide will walk you through the repair process step by step. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a can of compressed air. If you don't have these tools, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about running errands. Now, let's open the controller. Begin by removing the screws located on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws to be removed. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them when reassembling the controller. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the front and back halves of the controller. Be cautious, as there are ribbon cables connecting the 2 halves. If you're unsure or uncomfortable doing this, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation to get an expert's opinion. After opening the controller, you'll see the joystick modules. Inspect them for any dust or debris that might be causing issues. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dirt, ensuring the joystick can move freely. Next, if the joystick is still unresponsive, you may need to replace the joystick module itself. Carefully disconnect the old module from the circuit board. Make sure to take note of how it's connected to ensure proper installation of the new module. If you decide to replace the joystick module, we recommend getting it from a reputable supplier. And remember, we provide quotes before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Now, to install the new joystick, simply connect it to the circuit board in the same position as the old one. Ensure it's secure and properly aligned. If you need help with this process, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Once the new joystick is in place, it's time to reassemble the controller. Carefully align the 2 halves and gently press them together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, before you test the controller, take a moment to clean the exterior with a microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Now, connect your controller to the PS5 and test the joystick. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your PS5 controller. If not, remember that we offer no calls, no travel service to assist you further, making the process as seamless as possible. Enjoy your gaming! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.